Good morning, students. Today we will study chance and probability. Probability is the measure or the chance of occurrence of a particular event. Experiments which do not have fixed result are known as random experiments. Number of outcomes or sample space, the set of all possible outcomes to occur in any experiment is known as sample space. For example, experiment is tossing a coin. A sample space is head or tail. If we toss a coin, it will come head or tail. Here experiment, that is rolling a die. A sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Favorable outcomes, it is one of the possible results of an experiment. Examples, in an experiment of tossing a coin, getting a head, favorable outcome, that is head. In an experiment of rolling a die, getting an even number, favorable outcome is 2, 4 and 6. Probability of occurrence of any event is given by probability E means of an event. Probability of an event, it is equivalent to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Say example, find the probability of getting an even number when a die is rolled. Sample space is given, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and favorable outcomes even number, that is 2, 4 and 6. Therefore probability of this event, it is given by number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Here favorable outcome, it is even number, that is 2, 4 and 6. There are 3 numbers, so it is 3. And possible outcomes, it is 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 upon 6, and if you simplify it, you will get 1 upon 2. This is the probability. Now come to exercise 3.4. See question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. See question number 1. First part. You are older today than yesterday. So see the solution. First part. Certain to happen. Then second part. A toss coin will land heads up. Your answer is can happen. But not certain. Then third part. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. We know that on a die only 6 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 will never come. Therefore this event is impossible. The right here your answer is impossible. Then come to fourth part. The next traffic light seen will be green. Your answer is can happen but not certain. Then fifth part. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Your answer is can happen. But not certain. Now come to question number 2. There are 6 marbles in box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. First part. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? See the solution. First part. A total number of outcomes. It is 6 because there are 6 numbers. Marble with number 2 is obtained in one way. Therefore, therefore number of favorable outcomes equal to 1. Therefore, probability it is given by number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Equal to number of favorable outcome, it is 1, upon total number of outcomes, it is 6. Therefore, your probability is 1 upon 6. Now come to second part. Here, what is the probability of drawing marble with number 5? Here, total number of outcomes, it is 6. Marble with number 5 is obtained in one way. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes, it is 1. Therefore, probability, it is equivalent to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Here, favorable outcome, it is 1 and total outcome, it is 6. Your answer is 1 upon 6. Now come to question number 3. Here a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? See the solution. Here total number of outcomes, It is, if he flip a coin, he will get head or tail. Total number of outcomes will be 2. That is head or tail. Now, in tossing a coin, in tossing a coin, the possible outcome are head or tail. Therefore, therefore number of favorable outcome, it is 1. Therefore, probability, it is equivalent to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, equal to number of favorable outcomes, it is 1, upon total number of outcomes, it is 2. Your probability is 1 upon 2. This is your answer. That's all for today. Thank you.